Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of Netflix. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Netflix and you will enter here Netflix app. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.